All right, on your mark, get set, get a ribbon, bring it to me, go, go, go. Thought that might happen. Here we go. All right, all through, all done. Somebody's got the ribbon. I need it. Hurry, hurry. All right, right here. What's your name? Miss Alyssa. Where are you from? Are you from Tennessee? I'll be dadgum. Good job. All right, first person back to me is going to be Miss Alyssa. Congratulations. Here's $100 cold hard cash from our friends at Jennings Excavating and a gift certificate from the Mad Puzzler. Thank you guys so much. To make it back to me with that dollar before any of these other ladies take it from you. Hey, it's kind of a race.
That's simple rules.
And rubbing is racing. Okay?
Fighting is racing too.
Shut up. Look, we'll get you out here to commandeer this if you ain't careful. All right, ladies, are you ready? Do not get back in line. Now
them children listen better than y'all ladies.
I know where the kids get it now. Tighten up. Decatur, Tennessee, are you ready? On your mark, get set. Are you sure that you're ready? Then go, 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 go.
Here it is.
Wow. It's a bloody day.
Is there any arms up?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Live and Linda. Look, I like one that's got a plan.
Yeah.
There's one that's figured out that if the dollar gets to me, she stays close to me, she can ambush him.
I'm telling you. Hurry! Run! Oh my, this is lethal.
Decatur, Tennessee, why are you not making noise right now? Come on.
Oh my.
This poor girl.
Hey, she's tough. She's the only one.
All right, here's what we're going to do. They say enough is enough.
Yeah.
We're going to give it to her. Hey, don't take off again. I'm right here. Come here.
Wow.
What is your name? Wait, what?
She can't even talk right now, all right?
Laura, is that right? All right, here's what I want you to do. I want you to make some noise for Laura. She might be the toughest girl in Decatur.
Yeah.
And from our good friends at My People's Hunting Club, here is $100, girl. Y'all give them all a great big gigantic round of all the way. Be touching those bucket chutes. Back on up. Get on back. Back on up. Come. Get on up time. Come. All right. Y'all back it on up. Back on up. Lord almighty, I feel like I'm taming tigers. All right, kiddos, I need you to listen to me, okay? Listen, listen, listen. Number one, do not go until we say go, okay? Do not go until we say go. When we say go, you're going to run down there to that pile of shoes. You are going to get your shoe and put it on your foot. You got to put your shoe back on your foot and then run back down here to me, and the first person to do that is going to win, okay? Are y'all ready? Y'all some overachievers. All right, back it up, back up, back up. My man with the mullet, you're going to be fast anyway, I can tell. You ain't got to get no head start. All right, now then, are y'all ready? Go, 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 go. Your shoe on your foot. There we go. You've got to put your shoe on down there, then come back and see me. It's a horse race. All right, winner is going to be Mr. Ezekiel. You are going to win a gift certificate from our friend at themadpuzzler.com and $100 in cold, hard cash. Yeah, really. Look, little people don't really tell stories. That's just a myth. All right, guys, if you did not win, make your way back, get your shoes on, go find